A recipe for a happy life from France. France has a long-standing tradition in the culture arts, where food is not only a source of nourishment but also a culture phenomenon. However, over time, with the rise of globalization and lifestyle changes, the country has faced new public health challenges, particularly related to poor nutrition. At the beginning of this journey, French consumers accustomed to the traditional cuisine encountered a sugar of diverse products on supermarket shelves. The industrialization of food led to the proliferation of products high in sugar, salt, and fats. This posed a serious threat to the country, an increase in diseases linked to poor diet habits. France decided to take action. Understanding that the national health depends on the daily choosing of their citizens, the government began taking steps to influence those decisions. One such step was the induction of the Nutri-Score system. This innovative labeling system allows consumers to quick and easy assess the nutritional value of the products using a simple scale from A to E. Rate A are the healthiest, while those rate A should be consumed with caution. First launched in 2016 by French health authorities, Nutri-Score was based on scientific research provided by the nutritionists from the United Kingdom and France. As the popularity of the system grew, French consumers started making more informed choosing about their food. This not only changed their shopping habits, but also had a positive impact on the overall health of the nation. Now, when the French choose their favorite cheeses, bread, or wine, they do this with a new understanding and confidence that their choosing supports their health. This transformation in the national consciousness is a vivid example of how government policy can influence the lives of every citizen. Thanks to Nutri-Score, France has not only received its culinary heritage, but has also taken a significant step towards improving the health of the nation. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and give a like so I will know what to film next. I'm announcing a contest with a awesome prize of my channel, and you have a great chance to be a winner. All you need to do is follow a few simple steps. First, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video. Leave a comment under the video. How many videos shown here were filmed outside of France, excluding the intro? In your comments, mention the number of such videos. Share this video on your social media with the hashtag channel contest. The winner will receive fitness planner. Important, the contest will run until the end of November 2024. The winner will be chosen random from those who have completed all the steps. I'll announce the contest result in video after the contest ends. The more subscribes and likes we get, the more cool contests we'll organize in the future. So subscribe, comments, and good luck to you all. Thank you for participation.